Introduction. Let me pose a question. Do you remember the math problems you solved in school? Yes, those tricky equations and puzzling geometry problems. Mathematics, often seen as a complex subject, plays a fundamental role in our education system and in developing our problem-solving skills. In this article, we will navigate through the significance of mathematics in education and how it enhances problem-solving abilities. The importance of mathematics in education. Current state of mathematics education. In the current education scenario, mathematics forms the backbone of many disciplines. It goes beyond calculations and equations, fostering logical thinking and analytical abilities in students. The role of mathematics in developing critical thinking. Can we deny that mathematics pushes us to think beyond the obvious? No, right? It encourages us to think critically, making it a crucial factor in nurturing problem-solving and decision-making skills. The link between mathematics and problem-solving skills. Mathematics as a tool for problem-solving. Did you know that mathematics could be your tool for problem-solving? Mathematics provides a systematic and logical approach to solving problems, making it a powerful tool in our problem-solving toolkit. Case study. How mathematics aids problem-solving in real life. Ever thought about how you budget your monthly expenses? Or how engineers build skyscrapers? Math is the unsung hero in these scenarios. Strategies for enhancing problem-solving skills through mathematics. Integrating problem-solving in math instruction. Here's a strategy to ponder. Integrating problem-solving directly into math instruction. This encourages students to apply math concepts in real-life scenarios, enhancing their practical problem-solving skills. Examples of problem-solving activities in math, from Sudoku puzzles to mathematical treasure hunts. Problem-solving activities provide a fun and engaging way to sharpen your mathematical skills. The role of technology in math education. Ever used a calculator or math software? Technology, today, plays a pivotal role in enhancing mathematical understanding and problem-solving skills. Versus challenges in implementing problem-solving in mathematics education. Teachers' perspectives. On one hand, some educators face challenges in integrating problem-solving into their mathematics teaching methods due to a lack of resources or training. Students' perspectives. On the other hand, some students may struggle to grasp the application of mathematics in problem-solving due to the abstract nature of the subject. Conclusion. In the final analysis, mathematics holds a prominent place in our education system and plays a crucial role in developing problem-solving skills. With effective strategies, we can overcome the challenges and enhance problem-solving skills through mathematics. Remember, every math problem you solve is a step towards becoming a better problem solver in life.